Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be showcasing you guys my new personal website I've been working on, and I'm actually going to be starting a YouTube series where I share projects or things that I've been working on that I find really interesting, and I really hope you guys like it. And if you do like it, please subscribe. I really hope this YouTube thing goes well. And yeah, before I spoil anything on this world, let me go back to the default world and we can start. So once you land on this world, you'll see how there is an image, a photo mosaic image of my personal profile picture, which is a cat. And I've written this thing where you can convert any image into a photo mosaic voxelized plane. And I'll actually insert a video of that happening when I'm editing this video. I think it's super cool. The next thing I want to show is this voxelized custom blocks showcase where you can build custom models in Voxelize, which is the library I use to build this website, where you can right click and open up links. And you can right click GitHub and then open up my GitHub, and there's GitHub, there's LinkedIn, there's anything. And the physics works perfectly too. Look, I can stand just on the edge where the sort of a TV screen is too flat to be the full block. And this also works too with a full block, which is super nice, to be honest. This took me a long time. This physics of that took me a long time. Back here, this is Attribution to 3JS Journey, which is an online course I took where I mostly learned about 3D web programming. It's super useful. The instructor, Bruno Simon, awesome guy. His personal website is actually what inspired me to do this. I'll insert a video of his personal website on the side, something like that. And here, actually, let's talk about that first. That is my GitHub contributions chart. This is my first time using GitHub's API, and I just fetched all my activities, mapped them into an integer, and then converted them to a voxel. Super cool. And this, if you have any spare change, feel free to donate. So if you walk through this, you'll see a sort of like a trophy room of all my projects. The first one I want to talk about is mc.js. This is actually my first ever voxel prototype. It didn't really work at all, but it got a lot of attention. Look, you got like 2,600 stars on GitHub, and it got to the point that Microsoft decided that it was too much of a distraction from Minecraft, so they took it down. Now, the actual reasoning is complete bullshit. They said that my project incentivized people to put in their actual Mojang emails, but the thing is, my project was not posted anywhere online, so I don't know what the hell they're talking about. But this is my most famous project, and this is where I started all my passion for voxel engines. Mine.js is the second prototype I worked on, which got a decent amount of stars. I was super proud of this. This is a whole optimized version of mc.js that I actually run, not affiliated with Minecraft. This is some branding issues, but there was everything felt super nice, colored blocks, and all help will come, I guess. There was a test terrain generation. I've actually got super good at terrain. Not only super good progress in terrain generation. So I'll make another video talking about that if you guys are interested. But this project quickly felt just like I'm building a Minecraft clone. So I moved on to building Voxelize, which is actually a full stack library that you can use. If anybody's interested in building their own voxel game like this one, definitely check out Voxelize. You can build some very fast, very efficient websites that are in voxels. This is just a super outdated tutorial. Don't check it out. This is a template. I think it's pretty useful. Oh, this is a funny story. So Microsoft took down mc.js, but then somebody forked it before it was taken down when it was only 37 stars. And so somehow GitHub thought, oh, this was the actual mc.js. So that became under my name again. And I don't know how that works, but it has 37 stars. So the next step is you can go to this builder's Wonderland. And if you enter, oh, there's a bug. Oh, wait, it works. So you'll see this huge pillar sort of thing. And you'll see I write, build whatever you want, but please be respectful. But here's the thing, some people are not really respectful. They would be building, I mean, you'll see later. But what's cool about this is that for this world, I put it's just an if statement, but I put a radius of 5 circle around here so that people cannot build within this circle. It's kind of like a spawn protection kind of thing. Oh, if you want a parkour map, ping me, definitely. Down in the comments anywhere. So with this spawn protection, people are trying so hard to just enter it, but they can't. So they built this huge pillar around it. And this was the second day when I published this website, and I was just very impressed. I don't know if the same guy or not, but somebody went on this website again and then built this huge staircase that goes all the way up, and it's even decorated with sunstone, which sunstone, I don't really know what that is, but it has light, at least in this game. And so it's decorated, and there's a spiral staircase that goes all the way up. Super cool, super amazing, and it just keeps going. I mean, I'm an admin. Look, I put myself as owner rank, so I can fly. But if you're interested in climbing this, definitely feel free. There's also this red support that acts. It looks kind of like they're like halfway through the construction. Super cool. I'll talk about why there's a sorry up here, but somebody actually got up here, and this person has been trying to build a platform. This is the build height limit, by the way. He's been the person has been building this platform around the height limit. Remember I said something about inappropriate stuff? That person or whoever started building a bunch of inappropriate stuff in the sky, and with this stream of yellow stuff, you could probably tell what it was. But it started it was just a bunch of them surrounding this pillar. And then so this morning I was like, all right, enough. I took them all down, and then I did this at this one corner. I did /text, and then $. Oh shit, give me a second. I hide this game in smaller screens, so that's what happened just now. But what I did was I put a text that is synced across all players as an entity. I put a text right on top of that pillar, and that says, please stop building inappropriate stuff. And the funny thing is, in the afternoon, that person came back online and then saw that I took down everything and saw the text, and then he built a sorry with a heart. This heart is, oh, there's also a big sorry down there. I guess it's just like a story of an interaction with a stranger, which ended up in a good ending. What I did was this. I did /text $red stop building inappropriate stuff. Enter. And you'll see this floating text that floats in the air. This is actually a capability of Voxelize. This is why you should check out Voxelize. It's a super cool library. /remove text. So yeah, this sums up my first ever demo of my personal website. This is also my first ever recorded video, and I hope it goes well. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll also put a bunch of links and that are mostly helpful down in the description. And yeah, see you in the next video.